First up, choosing the right stone. It's not just about looks, it's about understanding your stone's personality. Let's get a little geologically nerdy for a minute. Natural stone is categorized into sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. These can further be broken down into calcareous and siliceous. Calcareous stones like marble and limestone are mostly calcium carbonate and are sensitive to acids. Siliceous stones like granite and quartzite are more resistant to acids. Knowing the composition of your stone will help you choose the right care products and performance and where to use it. Consider the locations and pair it with the stone attributes. Will the stone be in a high traffic area or will it be exposed to acids? A honed finish can show more scratches more readily than a polished finish. A textured finish can hide most blemishes. Remember, stone is a product of nature, so its variations are normal and part of its unique beauty. Always purchase an overage for your project because it can be difficult to match the stone at a later date. The amount really depends on the size of your project, but 10% is a good place to start. There's so many beautiful colors of stone. Don't let the choices overwhelm you. This video right here is the next video you need to watch. I picked it just for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.